Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this smoke alarm. So just flip it over and then you see this little door, just pull it up, okay, and from here you need to pull this little belt up, okay, so that's it. Okay, so now here is the new battery. So make sure this little like clip is gonna go down when you place the battery. So, and also the belt to be under, not on the top. It should be under. And this is a positive plus sign goes on the left, right here. This is yes, right here is the plus, and this is minus. Okay, so make sure so right here, make sure the clip go in the table like that, you see, and then close the door, and that's it, guys. It's super easy. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you like it. Please give me a like and subscribe. Thank you. And also to test it, if it's working, you press here and hold it, okay? Okay, so it's working. Thank you.